Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start your another practical, that is to calculate percentage of pollen grain. So what is the aim of your practical? हमको क्या calculate करना है? Pollen grains. Now we very well know that if I am talking about pollen, so that is your male gametophyte which contains our male gametes. Am I clear? You also know the process of pollination. What is pollination? It is transfer of pollen, right, from anther to stigma of carpel. Now dear students, once your pollen is on stigma, it absorbs some kind of secretion, right? I mean to say there is a kind of pollen pistil interaction followed by which, if pollen belongs to same species, it gets germinated. What here I mean by germination? Germination in the sense here, pollen tube is going to come out, and this is what we are going to observe in this practical. Am I clear? So वापस से एक बार आपकी pollen stigma पे आई. Now what happens? On stigma, right, there will be kind of some interaction followed by which pollen tube comes out from in time. Am I clear? So let's read out what principle I have written. In nature, pollen grain germinates on compatible stigma. This is very important point. Yes or no? If pollen is of some other species, if pollen is of some other species, so it is not going to germinate. Am I clear? So यहाँ पे germination occurs if both belongs to same species. I mean to say your pollen and your stigma. Okay? So stigma of carpel, pollen grain can be induced to germinate. This is a natural process, of course. However, for study purpose, we can induce pollen grains to germinate in laboratory. In laboratory, in this sense, I am talking about an artificial medium in synthetic medium, and that is we are going to use over here is 10% sucrose solution. Okay? So what I have written, pollen grains can be induced to germinate in synthetic medium. Synthetic medium मतलब वो medium हमने create करा है. That is your 10% sucrose solution. Okay? Now during germination आपको पता है, intine of pollen grain emerges out as a pollen tube through air. There is germ pores which is present on exine. What are germ pores? These are regions without sporopollenin. Yes, people have understood the layers of pollen grain. Outer exine, inner intine. Exine is made up of sporopollenin, and जहाँ पे sporopollenin ना हो, that is called as your germ pore. So dear students, the inner layer, that is your intine. It emerges as a pollen tube. Okay, and this is going to come out from one of your germ pore which is present in exine. Okay, now dear students, ये हमने पढ़ा principle. Now if I am talking about process, that will be seen bit later. आपको observation क्या देखने को मिलेगा? If you will see these pollens under microscope, right? तो you will be seeing number of pollen grains. एक जो आप microscope में देखो, वहाँ पे आपको क्या दिखाई देगी? Number of pollen grains, and that is your capital N. We will say total number of pollens in that particular area, in that particular field as capital N. Am I clear? Of which some is going to germinate. Okay? किसी pollen में से pollen tube बाहर निकलेगी. So that we are considering as small n. Am I clear? So वापस से एक बार से for example, this you are observing under microscope. ठीक है? तो in this particular area ये आपकी pollen grains है. ये क्या है आपकी pollen grain. For example, pollen grain यहाँ पे कितनी ली है मैंने? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You observe 10 pollens in that particular area. तो वो क्या हो गया आपका capital N. So what I have written, देखो, this capital N is equal to 10. This was for your explanation. ठीक है? Then of this 10, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 pollen में से pollen tube बाहर निकली, तो that will be your practical to calculate percentage of pollen germination. तो इसके लिए फॉर्मूला होती है. What is the formula for the same? For calculating percentage of pollen germination, we are having formula. The number of pollens germinated divided by total number of pollens in that particular area or field, and since it is percentage multiplied by 100. तो देखो यहाँ पे हमने क्या एग्जांपल लेके रखा है. कैपिटल N is equal to 10, small n is equal to 6. Write this number in this formula. So what answer you people are going to get? It's your 60%. Okay, तो कितना परसेंट पोलन जर्मिनेट हुई? 60%. Am I clear? So dear students, this is explanation of your practical number 2, that is calculation of percentage of pollen germination. Let's start with the process. First of all, let me say you requirements, right? क्या क्या चीज हमको चाहिए ये प्रैक्टिकल करने के लिए? We require dropper, we require a watch glass, of course we require a very nice flower which is having pollen grains, we require brush, right? Then we require slide, cover slip, microscope, okay? And yes, we are having 10% sucrose solution. मैंने आपको बोला था synthetic medium, right? This synthetic medium I have used over here 10% sucrose solution. अगर आप चाहो तो alternately you can make solution which contains calcium nitrite, boric acid, sucrose. You are going to add all these ingredients in 100 ml of water and you can make this solution. ओके यहाँ पे मैंने क्या लिया है 10% सुक्रोज सोल्यूशन. राइट नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द प्रोसेस. व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टेक, आई एम गोइंग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये मैंने प्रिपेयर करके रखा है. दिस इज योर 10% सुक्रोज सोल्यूशन. नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अ स्लाइड इन विच आई एम गोइंग टू add 1 drop of 10% sucrose solution. Am I clear? Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take flower. This is your shoe flower जिसको आप hibiscus भी बोल सकते हो, right? And it is easily available. And this yellow color thing you can see, वो आपकी pollen kit है. Yes or no? वो मैंने समझाया था आपको. This is your pollen kit, right? In the sense यहाँ पे आपकी pollen grains है. So what I am going to do, I am going to dust your pollen grains. I am going to dust your pollen grains, some of your pollen grains over this slide which contains 10% sucrose solution, as you can see over here, right? Now what I am going to do, I am going to add cover slip over this. मैंने यहाँ पे ऊपर cover slip रखी है, right? Now what I am going to do, I am going to set my microscope, okay? First in low resolution, then in high resolution. You have to observe this. अब जैसे मैंने आपको समझाया, yes, you have to keep this for 10 minutes. You have to keep this for 10 minutes. Okay, so we are waiting for 10 minutes, my dear students. So our 10 minutes are done. After that, what you are going to look inside the microscope. जैसे मैंने बोला, this is your microscope. यहाँ से आप देखने वाले हो, right? मैंने आपको बोर्ड पे समझाया. You will see a particular area जहाँ पे होगी pollen grains. Am I clear? So that will be your capital N, of which if you will see under the microscope, you will see some of your pollen grains are germinated. Am I clear? Some of your pollen grains are germinated. वो आपको count करना है. And that is your small n. Am I clear? Then my dear students, आपको क्या करना है? You need to find the percentage of pollen grains by using formula. क्या थी formula? आप लैब मैनुअल अपने साथ लेके बैठना, ठीक है? What was the formula for calculating the percentage? Yes, आप सबको पता है, right? By using that formula, we have to find the percentage of pollen grains that are germinated. Am I clear? So if you will see the observation table which is given in your textbook, right, you have to repeat this process. You have to repeat this process 3 or 4 times, right? Every time you have to do the same. वापस से एक बार मैंने क्या बोला, you have to prepare 10% sucrose solution. You have to take drop of sucrose solution on slide. Cover slip रखो, right? Of course you have to sprinkle pollen grains. फिर cover slip रखो. Then you have to set this for 10 minutes and observe capital N and small n. Am I clear? And finally, you have to apply this observation in percentage formula, that is small n by capital N into 100, and this is how you are going to get your readings. तो ये रीडिंग्स आपको अपनी मैनुअल में लिखने हैं, ठीक है डियर स्टूडेंट्स. देखो, इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट योर पोलन जर्मिनेशन, राइट, देन ये जो पोलन जर्मिनेशन है उसका जो टाइम है, राइट, इट वेरीज फ्रॉम वन इंडिविजुअल species to another individual species. Am I clear? So dear students, here I am having one chart, right, that says it is your electron micrographs of few pollen grains. It is electron micrograph of few pollen grains. Am I clear? So as you can see, पोलन ग्रेन्स जो होती है सभी स्पीशीज की, दे आर डिफरेंट, राइट. कुछ की स्मूथ होती है, कुछ की रफ होती है. ओके, सो दिस इज एक्चुअली इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोग्राफ ऑफ योर पोलन ग्रेन्स. ऐसी आपको पोलन ग्रेन्स दिखाई देगी, ठीक है. थैंक यू.